Hello, my name is Franz, and I know how it is to have sleepless nights. Doesn't matter if you are a successful plant owner, plant construction company, EPC contractor, or a successful piping construction company. I know how it is to have always cost and time pressure, and the quality must be also excellent. Some of us say we don't get a salary paid, we get just compensation for personal pain and suffering. Maybe it happened to you that you were on holiday or on business trip and you was called and asked something by your chief, or you needed to make a decision. In this moment you were not sure where to look for the answer, or you had the feeling or doubts that you made decisions without knowing all the facts, without having real-time information. Even having Primavera or MS Project, sometimes you had doubts about the exact status and progress of your project. Often, you don't see the forest because of too much trees. Since more than 20 years in this business, starting as fitter up being general manager of a company with more than 1000 permanent employees, I know exactly how you feel. One day, couple of years ago, when I received the package and had to sign for the reception right away, it was clear to me. By packages it could be done, but by execution of projects with millions, I need as example to wait for the signature of the additional works, and this cannot be done directly on the working place. That cannot be. In this moment it was clear for me. I will make a software for industrial plant construction execution. The times are changing, and the way of industrial project execution is going straight on to digitalization, where many engineering and planning scheduling softwares are available. The available software for industrial project executions are quite limited. Most of companies still work with Excel lists, own created database, own softwares, barcode scanning methods, and others. In times of digitalization, where projects are to be executed faster and faster, the effort on documentation is increasing and clients have higher and higher expectation. It was time to create a real industrial project execution software. A software where I have information in real time, where I don't forget to charge additional works, and where I can make, based on facts, best decisions. But METIS is not only a software. METIS is thinking. METIS is industrial project execution. We all that work in these industries are METIS, and you can become a member of it. My commitment is to provide you a software that simplifies plant construction, brings you forward in your business and project execution, and that you will really use. We are close to you and your projects. We develop further and we keep what we promise. Contact us now and test the software for free. We wish you a lot of successful projects.